Hello everyone, and thank you for tuning into Moose Motion. Today's video I'll be showing you how I make my armature dolls out of wire and Sculptor clay, which is basically just an oven-based clay, which I use as the skeletal structure. Now I must admit, technically the armature doll is kind of already underway, but we will get onto that later. But for now we will build this skeleton. Now, I also must admit to you viewers, this doll will not be performing on my YouTube channel, unfortunately, due to the fact that it was for a TikToker, and I would like to make it a music video, so given YouTube's strict music rules, probably best it's just not performed here, unfortunately. So you can go check out my TikTok. My username is YTMooseMotion. The reason for building this armature doll is because I got a recent shout out from a fairly popular TikToker known as Colin, or his username on TikTok is Collinurmom. So, seeing how the video will not be posted on YouTube, I figured I would give a more slowed down version of how I make my armature dolls, considering the last one I did was technically a time lapse with SCP-0-49, and if you would like to see that video, be sure to check out the link in the description. As well as be sure to go check out Colin on TikTok. He is one of my favorite users there. He is quite hilarious, to be quite honest. And I'm quite honored to be able to actually get the chance to animate him, as well as make an armature doll of him. Anyway, I hope you enjoy the video. Be sure to subscribe if you're new, and if you enjoy the video, be sure to punish that like button as much as possible. Anyway, hope you all have a great day, and see you at the end. This is the end result once it's out of the oven. We have a small little wire armature skeleton, basically, and all you have to really do is wrap it up in clay. Now, I must admit, the armature doll that I have right now was, well, wrapped in tinfoil, but we won't need it for this guy for now. But anyway, let's continue on with Colin. And hello again. Oh, hey, stop petting the furry one. Damn it. And thank you for sticking around to the end of the video. Now you get to see the end product. Now I must admit, technically the character on TikTok has glasses. I'm gonna have to figure out how to make those by hand, which will not be easy. Anyway, I should probably get on with the animation. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you are new. And thank you, and take care.